Hello, my name is Vaughan Gething. I'm the Labour and Cooperative Assembly Member for Cardiff South and Penarth. Cardiff South and Penarth is the largest constituency in Wales by population size. About 100,000 people live here across the two different local authorities of Cardiff and the Vale of Glamorgan. The Cardiff part of the constituency covers the old docks and steelwork areas, now partly rebranded as Cardiff Bay, including Butetown, Grangetown and Splot. The east of Cardiff covers the largely residential areas of Rumney, Llanrumney, Trafferth and St Mellons. The Vale end of the constituency includes the seaside town of Penarth and the communities of Lavernock, Sully and Landock. Politics wasn't my first passion or career choice. From a young age, I really wanted to be a lawyer. Politics came much later for me as I took a more active interest in the world around me. I joined the Labour Party at the age of 17 because I believed then, as I do now, that our country could and should be a fairer place to live and work. After university, I worked as a researcher to former Assembly members Val Feld and Lorraine Barrett. I then worked as an employment solicitor for nearly 10 years at trade union law firm Thompson Solicitors. I became much more active in the trade union movement during that time. I represented clients from all walks of life, and that reinforced my values and why I wanted to get more involved in politics. The next few years will be tough. For the first time, the Assembly will have falling and not rising budgets. That increases our challenge as Assembly members, but it doesn't take away from our responsibilities. I really want to hear what you have to say on our work on your behalf. If you need my help or you want to get in touch, you can do that in writing, on email, Twitter, or by phoning my office in the Assembly. I hold regular surgeries across the constituency, and I will also open an office in the constituency. Many thanks for taking the time to watch this video.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.